Hey folks, another warming across the valley today. We topped that as we showed you at 100 here at our studios. We've cooled since then, but not all that much. 83 in Weslaco, 82 right now in Harlingen, 83 at the coast and in Brownsville. Move back to the west, that's where it's still quite warm, 90 at this hour in Rio Grande City. These are the dew points, and for the most part, they're back in the 70s. Again, the exception, Rio Grande City at 67, but everybody else mid to upper 70 dew points. We'll put it at about 73 as the average in the muggy meter, so we are up here in that very humid category where we generally stay for the most part this time of year. Overnight tonight, upper 70s in most areas, maybe just a tad cooler in Harlingen, a little warmer at the beach, 81. And then tomorrow we're back up over 100 again from I-69C on westward, about 98, 97 across the middle eastern part of the valley, 96 in Brownsville, about 89 at the beach. The normal high now, the 30-year average is 97 as we head into August. We're going to be right about that the next few days, not quite up to record levels. We don't see that happening. First 1.5 Doppler network's been quiet over the valley today, and Future Trek says we should be quiet over the valley tonight, although during the daytime tomorrow the sea breeze is going to try really hard to activate, so we'll see if we can get that isolated shower going during the afternoon tomorrow. Most places stay dry, but something brief could pop up. Same kind of thing Friday, although I think probably even less active Friday. Something spotty is a possibility, and then we head into the weekend. Saturday, still an isolated shower, a possibility out there. We're going 20-20-10 for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Mostly spotty stuff during the afternoon on the sea breeze, and by definition, spotty means most of us don't see it, but a couple of places will. Bunch of high clouds came in late this afternoon to this evening from some rain that was offshore. The tops of those clouds being blown in our direction, but the rain staying well out away from us in the Gulf of Mexico. A little disturbance sliding this direction, but it's weakening as it does. It's going around the high. The high sitting up here, winds out of the northeast aloft, and that pushes stuff from southeast Texas our direction, but it all loses strength as it gets here. But there's enough moisture for that isolated shower each afternoon on the sea breeze, and that really is the case not just tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, but Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as well. At least a slight possibility. Tropics, the system over Cuba, not much chance of development, 10%, but the Hurricane Center says we'll watch it. This system has a good chance of developing. We don't think it's a Gulf of Mexico storm, but a 70% probability over the next 5 days. Here's what's going on at our coast. The winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. There are no advisories for tomorrow with a low risk of rip currents. So your first 1.5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, 77 for a low. Tomorrow, 98 for a high. Could be a brief afternoon shower on the sea breeze. Same kind of thing the next several days. We don't see a whole lot of changes. Maybe a little more sunshine by next week. And look at that, temperatures back over 100 by the middle part of next week. That's your updated first 1.5 AccuWeather forecast. Welcome back, Joel.